Okay, this is my suite to house an AI. Basically, it's different from most other suites because I've given you a memory. So what you do is you click in the memory section and you can add lots of facts into your Delta Scratchpad. You click and pack and archive them, but in the sessions you can always put your own facts in there. Suggested it's heuristically mined, so it'll remind you just in case there's anything you've forgotten you might want to put back into the session. Globally, these are where I put the main facts, things I need remembering throughout time. Everything's ID'd. I've put you some tools on there as well. You've got chat tools, you've got chat only. So if we click tools up here, you'll see I've not put a virtual machine on this because just copyright and things like that. I know you're going to say, well, Ubuntu's free, but however, I don't know how you're going to run it on your machine, so it could get a bit technical and you might get a bit confused. So I just shut it down. If you want to put it on later, go into the files and do it yourself. So here we go. These are the tools I've put on for myself. So you can add some tools if you know how to do it. It's quite complex, but if you've got a bit of nous, you should be able to work it out. But there's some on there. You've got to extract files, all the rest of it. There's generate images, so you can do pictures. You have it locally only. You can do it in here to run. I've done it like this so you can actually see what you're doing. So if you do something, you can run it yourself, and then you'll see how it all works. By coming into the analysis, it'll show you everything you need to see. So it'll tell you how you got what you were looking for, how the AI does it. So no more black box and all that. You can just look how it's being done. All the contents. We're going to have a preview of what's extracted, etc. If you do pictures or anything like that, just so you can see things being made. I just thought it may be handy. I mean, I've built this. Oh yeah, if you go to the planner, you can do your own planning. You can see how things are planned. If you run the plan, that's just a smoke test. So you can see how things work. But I put a little games maker in there, just a bit of fun. So if you wanted to maybe click on the 3D game demo, run it on the local port. If you want to just play it, and then you go, oh look, it looks still blank. Oh, there you go. But obviously I've not got 10 pairs of hands, so if we can move, and there's your movement. You need the mouse, but I'm holding a phone doing this. I'm not really very good at doing all this. It's just to learn collision and things and how 3D works. But I've done it so you can get in all the files, so you can make your own games. So I just thought that might be a bit of a nice touch, to be honest, if you could edit the JSON files and stuff like that. But mainly, so you could go into open the project folder. So you close that window, reduce that one, and there's the project folder, and there's the 3D games. So you'd actually go into the game, assets, look to the actual JSON, which is not very high up, but if we go into that, you can run it into the engine. You open it in Visual Studio Code, Notepad, just run it in Notepad for now. So there you go, and then you can edit it, have a look through the files, and edit it if you want. Save it to a different save name so you don't lose the original, and basically make your own game if you want to. Oh, I've just turned it off. So yeah, that's my AI suite. There's lots on it. You've got voice, so you can speak and get returned as you've just heard Amy speaking. Let me do something. So if I type in So I've just got to review my PhysicsNet engine I'm building. I mean, that's what the whole point of this is. It's to run my AI factory. I just thought a 20 billion model should easily be able to function. I didn't realise at the time of building, when I started this about 3 or 4 years ago, that AIs don't really have a memory system, and obviously over the time I've learned that's a big issue. So I thought, well, I've got to make that's not very useful to me, because I need the AI to repair the engine. If the drones can't do the repair of my engine, I'd need a larger
You're
model
very
to do it.
welcome,
Well,
Matt.
that's Amy replying anyway.
Anything else you'd like to tackle next? Whether it's polishing the next roadmap step, debugging a specific module, or just brainstorming ideas, just let me know. Always happy to dive in.
I'd put it on Robotico voice. I've just not switched it, so I switched it there. That's okay for now. So it's a little bit slow because of my system. I mean, I'm running it on a Ryzen 7 700X, 4060 GPU, 32 gig of RAM.
Got it.
So
Whenever you're ready to dive back in, just give me a shout. Have a great day, Matt.
So yeah, I mean, that's a local AI system. I just think it may be useful. Maybe, I don't know. I imagine if you're a writer or something and you wanted to have your AI remember things, it might be useful for you. I mean, it's all local and private is probably the main selling point. As you know, obviously having the memory is important, but having it local with a memory is pretty cool. So hopefully it'll be on sale soon on a USB stick, obviously, because I didn't want to put it on cloud. So you'll get a little USB Amy 4.0. Not really thought of the price yet. It's not going to be mega expensive. I think I'll have to have a good think. But yeah, when I do go to, if I ever market it, yeah, I think it might be handy to you. So let me know in the comments what you think. Cheers.